Hey, it's Samantha from Highland Magic Fiber Arts. In my last video, I showed you how to make a slipknot and a foundation chain. But if crochet still feels mysterious, and I bet it probably does, this video is going to change that. I'm going to show you what a crochet stitch actually is. Crochet starts with one loop on the hook. You pull new loops through old ones. Every stitch is just stacking and locking loops. So you'll take your chain and start working into it. Your pattern may tell you which loop to work into, but for now, let's work into the topmost loop. Hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop. Here's your most basic stitch, the single crochet. You may need to try holding the yarn in various ways with your non-dominant hand. I tend to wrap it around my ring or pinky finger to control tension. I then use my index finger to help me move the yarn. Here's a real stitch. You can see the V on the top, which is made up of the front loop and the back loop, and then below that you can see the post, front and back. If you can see these parts, you can use your hook with purpose instead of guessing. Why are stitches different heights? Let's look at some swatches of foundational stitches. We've got slip stitch with no height, single crochet, one loop tall, half double, slightly taller, double is taller, treble is tall and open. The only difference is how many loops you pull through before closing the stitch. Let's do a quick demo of each stitch. For basic or standard stitches, go under the V of the stitch. This is also referred to as both loops. For slip stitch, hook in, yarn over and pull through. For single crochet, hook in, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through. Half double crochet, yarn over, hook in, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. Double crochet, yarn over, hook in, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops. Treble crochet, yarn over twice, hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Chains. Your pattern may tell you some things about turning chains. How many to make and whether they count as a stitch. Sometimes you'll be asked to add extra chains. The simplest way to understand a turning chain: it should include as many loops as the next stitch. Slip stitch and single crochet, chain 1, half double and double crochet, chain 2, and treble crochet, chain 3. You can see that makes the same height as the stitch. In the US system, a double crochet is called a double. In the UK system, the same stitch is called a treble. I teach in US terms because most patterns online use US terms, and I'll always tell you which system I'm using. Now that you actually understand what a stitch is, everything else becomes easier. In the next videos, we'll build on these stitches to create different effects and begin to crochet actual items. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day.